If you like this video, please hit subscribe. Today I am unboxing this haunted homeware teddy cookie jar, as well as Killstar's Quinn Sunglasses and Cross My Mind Brim hat. So I just love Killstar's homeware items. I don't have a lot. This mug that my friend gave me, I love because I love Halo, whatever it's called, holographic things. And I also have this pillow that glows in the dark. Another thing I love is glow in the dark things. So I got this cookie jar. It wasn't on sale. I think maybe I got a code that gave me like a couple dollars off. This is packed really well, so it doesn't look broken. I might break it. Okay, this is the jar. So it's like a teddy bear skeleton thing. The lid screws on, I think. So yes, this is the teddy cookie jar. Very cute. I'll put links to where you can buy this in the description. I think this was $39.99 American, so kind of expensive. I think I got $2 off or something. But this is the teddy cookie jar. So anyone that dresses like goth or alternative has been seeing these brim hats or witch hats. And of course, I have always wondered what one would look like on me, and I bought one, so let's see. My first impression of this hat is that I do really like it. I saw one with pentagrams on it that I really liked, but I don't think the brim was as big. And I also saw a witch hat with a bigger brim from Killstar, so it's kind of, I guess, in between. Let's see. Not bad. I really like it. This one's way better than I thought. Kind of reminds me of Zorro or something, but overall, I think it's pretty good. Next, I have Flamingo Quinn Sunglasses. So I love Killstar sunglasses, probably my favorite brand of sunglasses. And these are heart-shaped, which I've had heart-shaped sunglasses in the past. I think from the dollar store on like around Valentine's Day. Oh, these are nice. Cool. Comes in a nice case. One thing I love about Killstar gradient lenses is that you can wear them when it's dark outside, not necessarily for sun, which is good if, you know, the weather is always changing. You can wear them when it's overcast. So yeah, I'll put links to where to buy these in the description. They're from Killstar, but I'll put links to the actual product. I got these because they sent me a $50 off coupon, which really just pays for shipping and customs. Yeah, Cross My Mind Brim hat and Quinn sunglasses, as well as the cookie jar. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. Check out my giveaway playlist. I'll put a link on screen and in the description. I'm constantly doing giveaways on this channel, reviewing lipstick, goth fashion, and posting music videos. Thanks for watching.